How to deactivate Slack account. So first of all, launch Slack app on your mobile devices. Now, from here, tap on your network or channel at the top left corner. From here, go ahead and select Preferences. From here, scroll down below. Go ahead and tap on Account Settings. Once you come here, scroll down below, and then you'll see the option of Deactivate Your Account. Tap on it. So now, as you enter your password and select on Confirm Password, on the next step, you will again see an option. So in that step, you will see that this change will take effect immediately. So an administrator of your workspace will need to re-enable your account if you would like to rejoin the workspace. Your messages and files will be kept safe if your account is ever reactivated. So any other Slack workspaces you belong to will not be affected. So you'll see a pop-up, and then all you would have to do is select on Yes, deactivate my account. Then again, after that step, you will again see a pop-up in order to confirm the deactivation of your account. You'll see an option, Are you really sure you want to deactivate your account? Then you have to make a selection on the box, Yes, I want to deactivate my account. Then tap on Deactivate My Account option that you would see. So after that, you will be able to deactivate your Slack account. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.